Welcome back everyone, this is Pete from Golden Spike Hobbies. In this video I will upgrade this Athearn ready-to-roll Ferromex SD40-2 locomotive with a Suntrax Blunami chip, a TCS K1 Keep Alive, and with our narrow body twin speaker. Let's get started. In order to remove the shell, we just need to remove those two screws by the fuel tank and the two coupler boxes. Let's install the Keep Alive. To make room for the Keep Alive, remove the weight at the front of the circuit board. We also need to get rid of the DCC plug. Secure the Keep Alive with some double-sided tape. This picture shows exactly where to solder the wires. Secure them with some Kapton tape. The next step is to install the speaker. Let's remove the weight to make room for the speaker. We need to guide both electrical pickup wires through these holes before placing the speaker into its place. Secure the extra wires with Kapton tape. Here's Golden Spike Hobbies narrow body twin speaker. It's made up 2 8-ohm sugar cube speakers. You can use the screws from the weight to secure the speaker. The red wire is the positive, the black wire is the negative connection. Now it's time to install the sound decoder. For this project, we are going to use Suntrax 21-pin Blunami decoder. After carefully inserted on the pins, we can secure the shell back with the 2 screws in the bottom. I also switched out the factory couplers with KD 158s. This beautiful Ferromex SD40-2 is ready for a sound test. Thank you very much for watching our videos and supporting Golden Spike Hobbies with your future purchases.